Good morning, students. In today's class we are going to solve the problems based on test of divisibility. In last class we studied about divisibility for 2, 5, divisibility by 10, 6, 9 we saw. Okay, what is the rule? We also saw that. Okay, in today's class we are going to solve problems based on those. Okay, test of divisibility, we are going to solve the problems. The first problem is check the divisibility of check the divisibility of 2143658 by 9. Now we have to see here whether this number is divisible by 9. How to check whether this number is divisible by 9? The rule is that we have to do the sum of the digits of the number. If that answer is divisible by 9, the whole number is divisible by 9. What is the rule for divisibility for 9? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then we can tell that the whole number is divisible by 9. Take solution. Sum of its digits is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. Check it. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. If you add this, now we will see here. If we add this, we are going to get 36. 36 is divisible by 9. Therefore, we can tell that this whole number is divisible by 9. Therefore 36 is divisible by 9. Thus 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7 is divisible by 9. Okay, what we can tell here? Sum of its digits is divisible by 9 means then the whole number is divisible by 9. Second problem we will take. Check the divisibility of now see here, solution. Do sum of its digits is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. If we add this, we are going to get 28. Okay. See, this number is not divisible by 28 is not divisible by 9. Therefore 52875 is not divisible by 9. Okay, if this number is not divisible by 9, then the whole number is also not divisible by 9. We will take the third problem. If if the three-digit number, if the three-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Solutions here. What they given? If the three-digit number, this is a three-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? Since 24x is divisible by 9. Since 24x is divisible by 9, sum of its digit, since 24x is divisible by 9 means sum of its digits, should also be divisible by 9. Yes or no? If 24x is divisible by 9 means its sum of its digits should also be divisible by 9. Sum of its digits should also be divisible by 9. That is 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 6 plus x. See here, sum of its digits should also be divisible by 9. See here, if 6 plus x should be divisible by 9 means what is the value of x? We have to find out here. What is the value of x? Here it's if the three-digit number, that is the three-digit number 24x, if this should be divisible by 9, what is the value of x? The value of x is here. If I put x is equal to 0, 6 plus 0 is 6. If I put 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. Right? 6 plus 3 is 9. If I put 4, 5, it is not possible, right? 5, 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 7 is 13, 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 8 I am getting 14. I want a single digit number. This is possible only when x is equal to 3. What we can tell? This is possible only when x is equal to 3. This is possible only when x is equal to 3. If the three-digit number 24x is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? Therefore, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. We will see the fourth problem now. Check the divisibility of divisibility of 214,6,5,8,7 by 3. They are told to check the divisibility by 3. How to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not? In last class we have learned. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 means then the whole number is divisible by 3. Yes? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 means then the whole number is divisible by 3. Now we will do the sum of the digits for that. Add and and check, students. Add and check whether that number is divisible by 3 or not. Solution: sum of its digits is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. If we add this, we are going to get 33. Is 33 is divisible by 3? Yes. 33 is divisible by 3. Therefore 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 8, 7 is divisible by 3. Okay, we'll go for next problem. Problem number 5. Check the divisibility of 15287 by 3. Check the divisibility of. See a solution. Sum of its digits is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 18. 23. The total will be 23. Is 23 is divisible by 3? No. 23 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 15,287 is not divisible by 3. Okay, now we are going to solve exercise. Now see student, first question of exercise 1.2. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? See a solution. If any number is a multiple of 9 means definitely the sum of the digits will also be divisible by 9, right? If any number is multiple of 9, then the sum of its digits will also be divisible by what? Divisible by 9. If any number they are given is a multiple of 9, definitely then the sum of its digit will also be divisible by 9. See here, now we will do sum of digits of 21y5. It will be 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. 8 plus 1. Means since 8 plus y should be divisible by 9. Yes or no? This shows that here, if any number is multiple of 9 means then the sum of its digit will also be divisible by 9. Here 8 plus what they given already 21y5 is a multiple of 9 means sum of its digit also should be divisible by 9. Hence 8 plus y should be a multiple of should be a multiple of 9. See here, this is possible only when this is possible only when 8 plus y is any one of these numbers, that is 0, 9, 18, 27 and so on. Now see here students, 8 plus y should be a multiple of 9, right? This is possible only when 8 plus y is any one of these numbers. Since y is a single digit, number, therefore possible value of y is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now see here, 8 plus 1 is 9. If I want 18, 8 plus 10 will come 18, but 10 is a 2-digit number. We have to put here a single digit number. Okay, they are given where y is a single digit number. 8 plus 1 is 9. This is possible only when y value is 1. Therefore, we can tell y is 1. So, we will see the next problem here. Now see student, the third question tells that if 2, 4x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of x? See here, solution. What they given, since 2, 4x is a multiple of 3. Yes, since 2, 4x is a multiple of 3 means sum of its digits is equal to, that is 2 plus 4 plus x, 6 plus x. Hence 6 plus x should also be multiple of what? Should also be multiple of 3. Okay. See here, this is possible. See here, this is possible when 6 plus x is any one of these numbers, that is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. See here, since x is a single digit number, the possible value for x are now see here student, if you put 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, that is a multiple of 3, yes or no? The possible value of x are 0. Then if I put 6 plus 3 is 9, 3. Again if I put 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, if I put 8 is also possible. 8 plus 6 is 15. Therefore the possible values are, it should be 9. Therefore the possible values are, see, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 6 is 12, 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, these are the possible values for x. Okay, so here, since x is a single digit number, the possible value for x are, if I put 6 plus 0 is 6, 0, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 1, if you put means 6 plus 1 will come. If I put, see here, possible values of x are, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 is divisible by 3. Possible value for x are, if I put 0, 6 plus 0 is 0, possible value is 0. Again 3 is possible, 6 plus 3 is 9, yeah. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 is divisible by 3 and 9. Total the value for x are 0, 3, 6 and 9. Okay, second one and fourth one you do as a homework. Thank you. We'll see here, second one and fourth one you do it as a homework. Okay, so this completes your the first chapter, playing with numbers. We will see the next concept in next class. Thank you.